Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So currently in Windows 11, if we head over to the widgets board, we have a couple of widgets that we can pin to the widgets board in the OS. And I've also pinned these DevTools widgets for system monitoring widgets, which I've posted on previously, and I'll leave the video for that link down below and in the end screen. But my reason for mentioning widgets is because in the Dev and Canary channels in the Insider program, the Clock app has received an update with 2 new widgets for the timer and day countdown. So I thought this was interesting, and it seems that this is now on the way to stable, although it is still early days. And if we just head over to a screenshot provided by Phantom of Earth once again, who spotted this over on X. This is with the latest update to the Clock app in the Canary and Dev channel, version 11.2408.9.0. So here we can just see a snippet of the widgets on the widget board. So here at the top, obviously we've got the countdown, and here at the bottom you'll be able to add that as a timer. So I think these could be interesting widgets, because if you are, for whatever reason, needing a countdown and needing a timer, then having that accessible right on your widgets board as a quick widget may be a nice move, as I would say, in the right direction. And although it's still early days, it's still in the Canary and Dev channels, I don't see why this wouldn't make its way down to the stable version. And obviously, if I get wind of that, and I do see these rolling out in the Clock app, then obviously I'll make a video and show you how you can pin those to your widgets board. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.